Today's Yom Yom. Words of wisdom of the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe. Mitzrayim. Mitzrayim is translated today as Egypt. It could be this is in the same place, but it was a totally different Egypt back then. Mitzrayim, this means limitation. False boundaries. The spiritual Egyptian exile is the animal soul restricting and concealing the godly soul. So much that the godly soul is compressed to the degree that it is diminished and obscured. And nice big words, what does it mean? It means that every Jew has two egos. One is a natural, normal, human ego, and another one is a godly, Jewish, real ego. The godly, Jewish, real ego knows and feels that God is creating it. Knows that God is creating us, and he's creating us for a purpose, and the purpose is the Torah. The godly soul of a Jew knows and feels this. The animal soul knows that it's alive, doesn't feel it's being created, and it's alive for its own self, to survive, etc. And so it says sometimes your feeling of selfishness and and false egotism and survival and pursuing pain and what is it? And pursuing pleasure and fleeing from pain, whatever, all the natural things, just like an animal, is so dominant that your feeling of God and the feeling of truth and the feeling of what real reality is obscured, confused. That's Egypt. The natural soul is like Egypt. Going out from Egypt is a removal of all of these limitations, and your brain starts to illuminate your heart, your awareness of God, and then you have character traits into actual practice according to the way that God wants, not the way that you want, or eventually you will want to do what God wants. In simple language, normal human language, everyone will follow their conscience. And the Jewish people will follow their godly conscience as well. As we'll talk about more, God willing, tomorrow. Hope to see everybody 8 o'clock tomorrow morning for Chassidut.